I don't care who's doing better than me. I'm not in competition with anyone else. The only rival I have is the person I was yesterday last year. I was different. I've grown. I've learned. I've improved. And that's what truly matters. It's me versus me every day. I wake up ready to push myself further. I challenge my limits, striving to be the best version of myself. I won't let someone else's success make me feel small. Their journey is theirs, and mine is mine. I know where I've come from, and I know where I'm going. So I keep pushing forward, not to be better than anyone else, but to be better than I was. That's my purpose. And when I look back one day, I'll know that every step, every struggle, every victory was mine alone. My growth, my journey, that's my legacy.